I am doing a series called Engines of BNSF. Now I know a couple other people have done it, or an episode or two of it, but I plan on doing a large series of this, unlike all of the other attempts at Engines of BNSF. In this first video, we are going to be talking about the BNSF Tier 2 Gevos, so the ES44AC, DC, and the C4 models. And for the next video, feel free to leave comments suggesting what locomotives I should do next. Began in 2003 to replace the 10-year-old Dash 9s and to meet the new EPA Tier 2 emission standards. They came in at 73 feet 2 inches long and had the new Gevo 12 prime mover. It reached a max speed of 70 miles per hour and hit 4,400 horsepower. Its tractive effort went from 183,000 pounds starting and 166,000 pounds continuous, compared to the Dash 9's 142,000 pounds starting tractive effort and 105,000 continuous tractive effort. Although for the ES44C4, it has the exact same tractive effort as the Dash 9 in both categories. These locomotives would mark a major turning point in the battle between GE and EMD, as they were many years ahead of the EMD's Tier 2 standard locomotive of the SD70 and to this day, there are thousands more Gevos than there are SD70 All BNSF Gevos, with few exceptions, come with the K5HL horn, which will sound something like this. The name of the ES44AC means Evolution Series for the ES. 44 stands for 4,400 horsepower. AC means it has traction motors, or AC traction motors. DC means it's got direct current traction motors. And C4 means that it's an AC locomotive, but the middle axle on each truck is not powered. BNSF owns the most of any other railroad for the ES44 DCs, and they are numbered from 7200 to 7920, and the most notable of which is BNSF 7695, which is the golden swoosh. On top of this, BNSF also has 765 ES44ACs, numbered 5718 to 5747, 5748 to 5837, 5847 to 6438, and 3282 to 3331. And finally, we have the BNSF special locomotive, the ES44C4. They have 1,299 of these, numbered 3250 to 3281, 4,200 to 4,299, 5333 to 5546, 6,500 to 7199, 7921 to 8291, and finally 8318 to 8389. Information on BNSF Gevos. There is probably a lot more I could have covered, but for the simplicity of newer people to trains and the sake of time, I am going to cut it short here. Leave suggestions for what I should do as the next locomotive in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.